clearly now?
Yes.
Okay. So they are like more, like a one or two predefined exceptions are there. That one we'll discuss, and then we'll go to the user defined exceptions. Okay. Value underscore error. This is also a type of predefined exception which we will discuss today. Okay. So let's just go to the practical scenario. CMD SQL plus one second SQL plus slash no log. Okay. Connect sys as sys DBA. Okay, now what exactly I'm trying to do? A value underscore error. Whenever I want to put a value, numerical value, it will take the output. But whenever I wanted to enter the character value, like adding a two numbers, it will show what value underscore. So let's just see the practical example. You get a very clear idea. Okay, declare. Okay, I'm taking any number for example, z equal to any br number. Okay, in that one I'm putting the value name called 10. Okay, and begin. Okay, now z double colon. Okay, z double colon equal to, here I am putting here the value. Okay, for example I am putting here, let's just take some space in the middle. Okay, z double colon equal to, for example I am putting a value. Okay, ampersand. Okay, closing the value, and then I am putting here as a plus, and then one more ampersand I am putting, that one I am putting the value as a y, closing the bracket like this. Okay. In Z, I'm putting two values. For example, I'm putting a dbms underscore output dot put underscore line line, and here I'm putting, for example, whatever the value is there in Z, I want to put it here. Okay. For example, I'm putting here, and then end, and if I'm putting here like this slash, enter the value of x. Suppose if I want to enter the value 4, for example, and asking enter the value of 5. Obviously 4 plus 5 will be how much? Once again, set space server output space. Okay, set space server. Whenever you're doing for the first time, you have to do set the server output space on. Okay, now slash. Again, x value, for example 4, y value I'm giving 5, output will be 9, right? 4 plus 5, how much? 9. For example, suppose if I'm value giving a, x equal to a, and y equal to b, what will happen? Can it get calculated? It will show what? Numeric and value error, right?
Right.
Now I'm applying exception to that one. Whenever these kind of thing happen, then I'm applying what? Exception. However, I'm applying the exception to this one. Whenever these things happen, then exception is raised. Okay, exception is raised. What? When? Okay, when value underscore error. Whenever we have this kind of error, then what do we have to do now here? Okay, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. We have to mention very clearly what? Please enter the proper data. Okay, enter the proper data. Okay, proper data. Okay, if I am putting close this one like this. Okay, and I am putting close. Now, when I want to execute the same program here, you see just the output, how the output will be. Okay. Now when I'm pasting here, enter the value of x 4. Okay, fine, and enter the value of 5. Okay, fine, we are getting 9. Now, for example, I'm putting again slash. I'm putting here a, and I'm putting here as a b. For example, what is showing? Enter the proper data.
Data.
This is the value underscore error example. Okay, one more example of the value under. There are three types of value underscore error example. Okay, one we saw now. Okay, fine, we have entered incorrect value, we got the output. For example, again I am declaring the value. I am putting here z, and then I am putting, for example, varchar value. Okay, if I want to put any kind of varchar, okay, z space varchar. Last example we saw about the number, right? Now we'll see varchar 2 colon 20 like this here. Or 2 colon 20, no, we are putting a 2 colon alphabet size only 3. 3 size I am giving. I'm not giving 20, only 3 size. Giving only 3 size here, and then I'm putting here began. Okay, but when I'm putting the Z character, how much alphabets I'm giving? A, B, C, D. Okay, E. I'm giving 5 character, but string, how much I'm applying? Only 3, right? 3 only I'm applying here. Now, when I do like this, you see what will be the output. Okay, once again, dbms And what will happen here? We have putting the value called what? Z. And in that one, whatever the value of Z, we are just simply putting here. We are putting here end like this and then slash. Now you see, I have given character value 2, but I'm inside I'm putting how many string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will happen? What error it will show? It will show me the error, numeric and value error, string buffer too small. See, we are giving small value, but inside we are putting more value. What will happen? It will show like this error, right? Whenever like this error happen, what we have to do? Again, exception we have to raise. Raise exception means what? Invalid string, invalid value. Please enter the prop. See, we have to put it like this again. Okay, I am putting a same like this. Then exception will be raised. Are you getting understand right? What exactly I'm doing?
Yes. Yes.
Exception is raised. Again, when what we are doing again? Same value underscore error. Same error this one. This is a type in that one. Okay. Error. Okay. Value underscore error. Then THEN then. Oh, one second. THEN then. What DBMS underscore output underscore line. What do we have to put here like this one? Let me copy this one from here. I don't have to type it again. Copy. Yes. Okay. Now I'm doing here like this. Okay. Now I'm putting here what? Invalid string. Okay. Invalid value entered. Okay. Invalid. Or else you can say as a size very small. Okay. Size very small of the value what we are entering, of the value what we specified. Okay, specified. Okay, if we do it like this, specified. Now closing the bracket. If I do it like this and wanted to execute the same program here, you see what will be the output of first here like this. Now you see size very small, value of what we specified. Now we have given this one, that is okay. This is for the character. Similarly, for the what do we call it, a numeric value also, we can able to specify like the same like this, two small characters like this. Similarly, we can do for the numbers also. Till here, any questions now? Now we'll
Zishan,
yes.
I have one question.
Yes.
When you're putting a edit command, and then you copy the data, and then how we get out from the edit command?
ed. I'm just typing ed command. You see it?
Yeah.
As soon as I type ed, enter. You see it? Ed when I type, it will come in a notepad file.
Okay.
I'm writing, copying. As soon as I make it copy, I'm putting here copy like this and making this cut, completely cut, and then putting like this paste.
Oh, okay.
Okay, putting simply like this paste. Okay, now we'll see about user-defined exception. Okay, this is number second what we discussed yesterday, right? Predefined, completed. Now we are talking about user-defined. We are defining our own exception. Okay, for that we have 3 levels in this one. We have to declare, and we have to raise an exception, and then we have to handle an exception. Give me like a second right now. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'm getting a call. 1 second. Hello? Hello, Yusuf. Hello? 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 Yes. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Zishan, you talking to me or you got a call?
No. I have, like disconnected the call just now. I was just getting a call from the other student. I have just, like disconnected the call.
Okay.
And handling, what exactly we are doing now? Handling exception. Okay, exception. Handling what here? Exception. This is what the basic syntax. Declare a exception, and how we will define this one like this. In the basic program, we'll do like this. Declare. This is the syntax. Okay. Declare, and then what do we have to do here is a any kind of exception we have to raise. Okay, that exception. Okay, 1 second, let me disconnect the call. Okay, exception, and after this exception is raised, then let's see the basic program. We'll get a very clear idea. Okay, while doing this one, how we are taking the user defined system. Okay, now for example, I am putting here as declare. Okay, a as one value which I am putting exception. Okay, exception. in value. I'm putting here an exception. Okay. Now after this one, I'm putting a begin begin. Okay. If for example, see, sysdate is nothing but a function in like SQL. Okay, date function. Select sysdate. Suppose for example, let me open one more thing. Okay, dual is a predefined table in the Oracle. Okay, one more I will open. Slash hold on. Connect. Okay, select star from dual. Dual is like a predefined empty table in Oracle. Okay, for example, if I type here select sysdate it from DUI dual. If I make it like this, what will happen? Today date will come. Okay, what is the date today? That date will come here. Okay, sysdate is what? Dual is an empty table. In that table, whatever the values you want, you can able to put it. So this is like a date function. Sysdate is what? It current date. It will show what? What is the current date? That date it will show. Okay. So now what exactly I am trying to do? I want to raise an exception. Okay, but they have different function. For example, if I want to put usually predefined, actually I didn't show you this one, how to apply the date function. Okay, I will show that one. Okay, to underscore char is also a function in date. To underscore char. This one I have to discuss. Okay, to underscore char is also a function. Sysdate. I am putting here current date. Okay, comma. For example, if I want in DY format, I am putting here like this. Okay. For example, what is the date today? Today is day. Today is Wednesday, right? Suppose if I put here like this, today is Wednesday. Okay. For a whenever there was exception, put is Wednesday. Okay, I'm putting here Wednesday. Okay, then I'm putting here Dan. Okay. What raise an exception? I told you we have to put this syntax, right? Raise like this, raise, and then the value. So what value I've given here? A value, right? I'm raising an exception here like this A, and then I've opened the if, I'm closing the if. Once I close the if, and then what exactly exception is being raised, I'm defining my own exception. Okay, exception is not there, but I'm defining my own exception. This is not there in Oracle. Oracle have not created any exception, but I'm creating my own exception. Whenever exception is raised, when a DHE then, okay, based upon today's date, I am raising an exception. Okay, let's put DBMS, 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 let me put more. Okay. Now, what exactly I am putting here like this? Whenever there was A, then today exception is raised. Okay, today exception is every Wednesday exception is raised. Suppose if I want to put it like this. Okay, now when I make this program end and then slash today exception is raised. Let's just see with a practical example. Okay, one more example. Select star from JEWEL Joule. On the Joule table, we'll see the practical example. Okay, I want an exception to be raised. Whoever salary should be, for example, to here we have 7,000, 8,000 like this, right? So exception is raising whenever whose salary is in between 7,000 to 8,000 people only. We are raising an exception from our table. 7,000 to 8,000 people, we are raising what? An exception. Let's just see the practical now.